Goldhouse, a chef and vegan cooking educator at Goldhouse Gourmet. Today I'm going to be showing you a dip for sweet peppers. So I'm going to start with 2 nut butters. So I'm going to start with almond butter. You can also use peanut butter if you prefer that. I like almond butter. Then we're going to add some tahini paste. Tahini is ground sesame. This is a great source of plant-based calcium. So I like to call this dip the triple S dip because it's sweet, spicy, and salty. So for our spice, we're going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper. And also a little bit spicy is some ginger. So this is about a tablespoon of chopped ginger. We're going to add 2 cloves of garlic. For our salty flavor, we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of tamari. You can also do soy sauce, but I prefer tamari. So I'm going to blend this up until it's completely smooth. And slowly, I'm going to add a little bit of water. Now I'm just going to check first. Just going to give this a little try. Oh, so good. So now I got out my serving bowl. And I'm gonna add some delicious sweet peppers. Sweet peppers are such a good thing to munch on. There have 30 different carotenoids which help prevent a variety of cancers, lower LDL cholesterol. The more you can get, the better. So now I'm gonna pour this dip. Ugh. This just is going to be delicious. I'm Kate Goldhouse, and today I showed you how to make a dip for sweet peppers.